I mean, from the day we first met, I knew that we were meant for each other. The way we looked into each other's eyes, the way we passionately kissed each other. Our mouths were hungry for each other. And as much as you want to deny it, as much as you want to burn our memories and leave them in the past, you have to admit that those years you shared with me were some of the best moments that you've ever had in your entire life. You remember when we first met, how broken you were, how alone you were. You were like a scared little puppy, afraid of every noise, afraid that you would upset me, or that you would say something the wrong way. You were always so quick to act submissively, apologizing for something you never even did wrong. It was so cute, and it still is. But now, look at you. You went from the scared little mouse to an adult. You're grown now, physically at least, not mentally because of what you did to me.